नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Our today's topic is CNS depressant, methanol. In the previous session, हमने इथेनॉल या कॉमन अल्कोहल की बात करी थी, जिसका केमिकल फार्मूला C2H5OH था. Now the chemical formula of methanol is CH3OH. So the common in methanol and ethanol is hydroxyl group. They belongs to same group of organic compounds. Methanol is toxic than ethanol. Methanol is colorless. It is a volatile compound found in liquid form, and it has odor similar to ethyl alcohol or ethanol, and it has burning taste. Commonly it is used or it is present in some homemade beverages, antifreeze, paint removers, dyes, resins, adhesives, and varnish. We talk about the action of methanol. It causes action similar to ethanol. It is also a CNS depressant, and it increases the serum osmolarity, thus resulting into metabolic acidosis and retinal toxicity. So what are the signs and symptoms of methanol toxicity? In case of methanol toxicity, there are symptoms of drunkenness. Victim may suffer from nausea, vomiting, and pain or severe cramps in the abdomen. He may also suffer from headache, dizziness, stiffness in neck, confusion, vertigo, and he feels muscular weakness. The cardiac action got depressed and the temperature may become subnormal. Patient may become hypothermic. Dyspnea and cyanosis is also present with odor of alcohol like in the breath. It has toxic effect on the liver and kidneys, and in kidneys it produces acute tubular necrosis, and it acts also on highly specialized nerve elements. It may produce delirium and coma. Urine is acidic, or urine becomes acidic and contains acetone and trace of albumin. The pupils become dilated and fixed, and there is increase in osmolar gap, which is accompanied by visual symptoms such as methanol poisoning. There is visual disturbances like photophobia and blurred or misty vision, seeing spots in vision, central and peripheral scotoma. There is spot of blindness in central and peripheral vision, decreased light perception, concentric diminution of visual fields for color. So the fatal dose of methanol is 60 to 200 ml, while fatal period is 24 to 36 hours, and it may be delayed for 2 to 4 days. So talking about the treatment, first of all, gastric lavage should be performed to remove the toxic content from the stomach. Activated charcoal is useful. Ethanol is the specific antidote of methanol. So 60 ml of ethyl alcohol in 200 ml of fruit juice can be given orally. 4-methylpyrazole or 4-MP is also useful. Folinic or folic acid. Blood sugar should be measured frequently while ethanol is given, as it may cause hypoglycemia, especially in case of children. Crystalloid therapy, dextrose, thiamine, and phosphate for alcoholic ketoacidosis is useful. Patient should be placed in left lateral decubitus position with head down to avoid aspiration of vomiters. as it may block the respiratory tract or it may cause aspirational pneumonitis. Cover the eyes to avoid light as the patient becomes photophobic and keep the airway clear. What are the postmortem appearance or what are the postmortem findings? So cyanosis may be found, absence of postmortem clotting of the blood. Pyridine may give the skin a purple color. There may be congestion and inflammation of mucosa of the stomach and duodenum with small hemorrhages. Small and large intestine or both are contracted, become contracted, resembling to a thick pipe of a very narrow lumen. There is congestion and edema of lungs and brain also become edematous with local hemorrhage. The mucosa of bladder is often congested. The liver shows fatty changes and may show necrosis. There may be tubular degeneration of the kidney. Usually the poisoning of methanol is accidental, or in the absence of ethyl alcohol, it is used for intoxication purpose. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session, and if you have any query or doubt, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.